think she's kind of light.
No, she like. She got me!
I died.
I'm dead. These two. Lorenzo! Bro, freaking Lorenzo.
I stopped. I didn't move because she was right in front of me. Oh my god.
Son, wait. Okay, wait. I can revive no one apparently.
Wait, is everyone and their mama dead?
Ah no, Lorenzio's Lorenzo grinning, bruh.
Wipe that smirk off your face. I speak to your manager.
Son, we're getting
Stop.
respawned. Son!
Hello? Oh my god.
We can revive you! No! That never kill. Okay, man. I can revive you! I can revive you! Juno! Revive me! No! I can revive you again!
Don't revive me.
Revive me! Thank you!
Oh.
What's wrong with you?
Why did she go on all fours? Stop!
Go collect
I don't
apples,
like
bruh.
that sound too.
She got me for real.
Oh my god. Who kept reviving me? I will actually kill that person.
Dude, Lorenzo, I'm freaking me.